Okay, let's be honest. If you're not really in the mood for eggnog, it's kind of gross. What's up, everybody? My name is Ryan. I'm the bar pretender, and today we're gonna make a version of eggnog that's the best type of eggnog if you kinda like eggnog, but you also kinda sorta hate eggnog. That's right, we're talking about a bourbon milk punch. It's one of my favorite holiday drinks that has all of those flavors like the holiday classic of eggnog, but doesn't have any egg, and it's just not quite so thick and custardy and rich. Also, a great thing about this drink is it is super simple to make. So we're gonna start off with a 1/4 ounce of maple syrup. Sticky. Then we're gonna follow that up with 1 ounce of bourbon. This is a special drink, so I'm going with a nice Weller Special Reserve. Drop that right in there. Up next, the milk portion of our bourbon milk punch. 1 ounce of whole milk. Now, if you're lactose intolerant, you could also use something like almond milk. So this is a great eggnog alternative that doesn't use any dairy at all. And last but not least, we're gonna give it just a couple drops of vanilla extract right there. Ooh! All right, now we're gonna shake this drink up. And once we've gotten that all shaken up, we will strain it into a rocks glass with 1 big cube. And then last but not least, we're just gonna grate a little bit of nutmeg right on top of it. And there you have it, one of my favorite eggnog alternatives, the bourbon milk punch. You can switch out that milk with almond milk or coconut milk or soy milk or anything else for a nice dairy-free alternative. Let me know if you tried it and what you think about it. Make sure you like, subscribe, hit the bell, share it with your friends, and more than anything, I hope you have a fun, safe holiday season. We'll see you next time.